Okay, so here's the bicycle LED light. You have to unscrew this, and inside there's batteries, and they have to be installed. And then just press this, and then it goes on. You press it again, it starts to flash. You press it again, it flashes at a different speed. So that's how it would work. So let's do that. Okay, so I'm going to mount it on the bicycle. Okay, so right here I have a bicycle, so I'm going to mount this on the front. This is an elastic mount that stretches for different size frames. Okay, so this is the dark. I'm going to turn it on. Now to remove it, you just stretch that area right there. And it just comes off like so. So there you go. This was a review of the bicycle LED lights. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.